If you're looking for a quick, easy way to renew headlights, I found these wipes that I will link in the description. I saw these in the store. I was skeptical about them. They made claims to do a couple of things: remove water spots, scratches on cars, and renew headlight lenses. So this is the difference. Both of these lights look exactly like the top one. These are off of a 2005 with 250,000 miles on it. And within a minute or two of just rubbing these in a circle on that lens, you can see the drastic difference. Is it perfect? If you were to go at it with a polisher, clear coat it, no. Is it significantly better than that? Yes. And you're looking at a minute or two of effort. So when you take it out of the package and you open up the wipe, you can see there's rubbing compound on the wipe itself. And you're supposed to rub this in a continuous motion until it clears up. And then after that, wipe it with a clean microfiber. So I'm just gonna start doing it. You can see the compound on the lens. Package says for clear lights to just do this for a minute or two, or until you see it start clearing up. I want to make sure I get this side too, where the side marker reflector is. The top edge, the side edge, and just keep going in circular motion. Start moving her up. Finish on this side. You can see, even before I wipe this off with a clean microfiber, that is a drastic difference from where we started only a couple of minutes ago. And again, this is a 21-year-old headlight with 250,000 miles worth of use on it. I will link these in the description. And if you want to see a comparison now, this is the bottom of that light, which I have not yet done, and I'm going to do now. But we did this in real time. I see the total runtime is at just about 4 minutes for that good of a result. So, link to these Turtle Wax Renew and Restore wipes will be in the description.